Hello guys and welcome back to Best Car Picks. Just when we thought the Kia Stinger had departed this world, a leak from a Korean factory planning schedule has revealed it will be resurrected as a 450 kilowatts, all-electric high-performance sedan called the GT1. The news comes from Korean car blog which has obtained Kia's new car production schedule that gives away not only when the GT1 will be built, but also some juicy technical specifications from motor output to battery size. Codenamed GT1, the document says the vehicle will have an enormous 113 kWh battery. That's larger than anything Kia currently has in any of its electric vehicles, with the EV9's 99.8 kWh battery being the biggest on offer. The plan estimates that with a 113 kWh battery the GT1 will have a range of between 700–800 km, WLTP. Those figures correlate with the EV9's range of 512 km, WLTP. While you can expect the GT1 to share the sharp, blocky looks of the EV9 as shown in the image above, the vehicle will have different technological underpinnings. The GT1 is expected to be the first model to be built on the company's next-generation electric platform. The leaked report even details the specs of the GT1's motors. The front motor will have an output of 200 kilowatts, while the rear motor will make 250 kilowatts for a combined 450 kilowatts and, of course, all-wheel drive. Kia's most powerful and fastest electric car is the EV6 GT, which makes 430 kilowatts and has a 0 to 100 km/h time of 3.5 seconds. The GT1 then would most likely do the same sprint in close to 3.3 seconds. And we thought the 0 to 100 km/h time of 5.1 seconds for 269 kilowatts, 510 Nm V6 petrol-powered Kia Stinger was good. So, when will the GT1 be arriving? According to the report, we should see the GT1 debut globally in 2026. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe for more such interesting content. Thank you for watching my video.